is to fold my fabric into 2, then into 4, leaving 1 inch sewing allowance. So the next thing to do is to input my shoulder measurement. Shoulder measurement is 4.5. That's 9 divided by 2, that's 4.5. So I'll mark 4.5 here, 4.5. So I'm going to create a slope, 1/2 inch, with 1/2 inch. So I'm going to measure 4 here. So I'm going to create, sorry. So I'm going to measure 2.5 here. To measure 2.5. So I'm going to divide this space into 2. I have like almost 2.5 here, that's 1.2. 1.2 here. So from here to here is 3.5. So I'll measure 3.5 here. Measure 3.5. Then my half length is 9 plus half, 9.5. 9.5. So from here I'm going to, this is from here to here is 3.5. So from here to here can be 4.5. So join this space to this space. So reduce the space by 1 inch and create a bend there. And to make it very shapely. So fold fabric into 2, then into 2 again. I'll first cut out a circle. Cut out a circle of radius 6. Here 6. video 6. So what I have. So the next thing to do is to fold again. You fold this time around. I'll leave 2 inches above. Leave 2 inches above. Then you fold again. So the 2.5. So you split it. So black stripes, 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to tape round. Do the same thing for this too. So I'm going to join at the shoulder line. tip, then you join the downs, it's down the side, join the sides, and join the sides too.